Today we're diving into the 5 big stages of AI and how they will soon transform your business. Let's break this down, but first, stick around until the end because I have an exclusive resource to get you started thinking about your own AI transformation. The first stage of AI is called Descriptive AI. This is where the AI is describing what's going on. Imagine having a super smart assistant that could create content based on current trends and data. It's like a high-tech detective analyzing what's popular and generating engaging content. Next, we have Predictive AI, where the AI can predict what will happen in the future. Think of it as your business's crystal ball. Predictive AI can forecast what your customers might say or do next. It helps you anticipate their needs and tailor your marketing strategies to make them resonate with the kind of clients you're looking for. Then comes Prescriptive AI. This stage is like having a personal business coach. It doesn't just predict what will happen, it tells you what to do about it. For instance, if the AI predicts a potential drop in engagement, Prescriptive AI can recommend strategies to boost that. It's all about turning data into action. So just to recap, we have AI describing, predicting, and then making suggestions. Now let's talk about autonomous AI. This is where the AI is making the decisions on its own. The easiest way to understand this right now is to think of autonomous self-driving cars. Now, autonomous AI can do more than just drive. It can also perform other tasks on its own, from posting to social media to handling customer service inquiries live in AI chatbots. It's like having a tireless team member who works around the clock 24/7. Finally, we have collaborative AI, which is where we have different AI systems working together seamlessly. Picture a team of AI tools, each specialized in different tasks, collaborating together to enhance your business efficiency. For example, one AI might handle customer service, while another manages your inventory, all working together to streamline your operations. To review the 5 stages of AI, we have Descriptive AI, creating content and analyzing trends; Predictive AI, forecasting customer behavior; Prescriptive AI, recommending actions; then autonomous AI, which is the AI working on autopilot; and then collaborative AI with the AI systems working together. So now the question is, where do you feel comfortable about this? And where do you start to feel uncomfortable? For many right now, it's the autonomous AI. People are still asking, can we trust it? Let me ask you, would you let AI drive a car for you? Would you let AI speak to your customers and leads? Well, it's coming, and soon we're gonna laugh we even gave it a second thought. Understanding these stages is key to developing a robust AI strategy for your business. It's time to take control of your AI transformation. So are you ready to move forward with your AI journey? Grab my free AI strategy checklist and let's take the first step together. Head over to my website at nicholaspapp.com/AI and download my free checklist to learn more today about implementing AI in your business. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.